Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the subtitle file type and backing it up so you can revert if needed. Open the video in your chosen player or editor that supports subtitles. This ensures timing displays as you work. Once done, load the subtitle file into the editor so text and timestamps appear side by side. You do this because seeing context and timing together prevents misalignment later. Make sure the player uses the same frame rate as the editor to avoid drift. Now you edit the subtitle text and timing with focus. Correct wording for clarity and natural speech so viewers read comfortably. Remember, short lines and natural breaks help comprehension. Then adjust timestamps, shift or split entries where audio and text don't align, because precise timing keeps subtitles synchronized with speech. Use search and replace to fix recurring misspellings or inconsistent terms. Once you've refined both text and timing, play the segment to confirm. Finish by exporting the corrected subtitle file in the required format and encoding so special characters display properly. Test the new file across a couple of players and devices to make sure formatting and sync hold up. Different players can handle timing slightly differently. If you encounter persistent sync drift, recheck the video's frame rate and resync using audio waveforms or a timeshift tool to align words precisely. If text still overlaps, shorten lines or split entries to improve readability.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.